following video is a demonstration of the Optex Wireless 2000 system for use as a driveway alarm. As you are sitting in your living room in your house in the forest, wouldn't you like to know about any visitors that might be coming up, or a UPS delivery, unexpected guest? When a car or vehicle leaves your property the same direction it came in, you will receive the same signal on the way out. We're going to demonstrate a second chime tone here with the car going out. It's a different chime tone than the first time. The chime tone you just heard could be programmed when the car comes in, or it could be programmed at another entrance or exit. Here is a demonstration of the third chime tone available. The receiver unit pictured here has a relay output for activating other devices with an adjustable output duration. When a signal is received, the relay can be off or set to 1, 5, 30, or 60 seconds to operate another device. There is also an alarm sound output that we will demonstrate next. Please come and see this product at drivewayalertsystems.net.